cryptocurrency deposit at ePlanet Brokers. Log into your ePlanet Brokers user panel. From the side menu in your user panel, select Deposit. Then choose cryptocurrency as the deposit method. First, enter the deposit amount, then select the payment method. You can choose from 6 different cryptocurrencies, including USDT TRC20, USDT BEP20, USDT ERC20, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron. However, it's recommended to use USDT TRC20 as transactions on the Tron network have lower fees compared to other cryptocurrencies. After selecting the payment method, click on Continue. Review the process details, then click on Submit, and afterward click for Payment link. On the new page, by scanning the displayed QR code, you can complete the deposit process to your ePlanet wallet. After that, you can transfer the desired amount from your ePlanet wallet to your preferred trading account at ePlanet Brokers. You can review and monitor the history and status of your transaction from the side menu.